Welcome to our tutorial on the Fit Spline function. Let's begin with a right-click, select Edit Sketch, Tools, Spline Tools, and Fit Spline. Basically, this function fits segments of the sketch to a continuous spline. First, let's uncheck Closed Spline. We'll choose Constrained, select my first entity, the second one, and the last one. The Edit Chaining option allows us to reverse the connections. Let's select the first and second segments, and you see that the connection has been reversed. Let's undo this. Click Edit Chaining again to exit the Edit Chaining mode. The Delete Geometry option will delete your original geometry. The Closed Spline option will create a closed spine. The Constrained option parametrically constrains the spline to the underlying geometry. The Unconstrained option lets you create a spline without any attached constraints. The Fixed option fixes the spline in space. After I click OK, the underlying geometry converts to construction geometry. Now we've got a single continuous spline here. Now if I click Delete and Delete, we see that the original geometry is construction geometry. Let's exit this sketch. Right-click and hide. Now let's right-click and show this solid. We're going to zoom in a little bit. What I want to do now is convert these 8 separate faces into one continuous face. I'll begin by right-clicking, select Edit Sketch, open the Tools menu, select Spline Tools, Fit Spline. Now I'm going to select all the entities in the sketch. You see here the Closed Spline option is now grayed out. I'm going to leave the Constrained option checked. The tolerance value below specifies the maximum deviation allowed from the original sketch segment. At this point, I'll click OK. And once again, we have one continuous spline. Let's exit the sketch. As you see, we've got a single continuous face, as well as a continuous edge. And this concludes our tutorial on the Fit Spline command